Hello everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. Today is day 6 of our TypeScript series, and today we are learning how to write the reusable and scalable code. By the end of this video, you will understand what generics are, how to use these types, and learn the and some powerful, useful utility types like partial, pick, and omit. So basically, today's topic is this generics and the TypeScript. Now, first of all, what first understand the problem means today's day 6 and what we learned in the past 5 days. So let me open the VS Code. Wait a second. This one is the last. So if I write here a function, I write identity. Sorry. This identity string, and here value is the let's say string, and also this function return the string data type and make the return value. So I write this function. There is no issue with that, just a normal TypeScript function, and it's take a value of type string and return a value of type string. And same for the, let me write one more. This one is for number, and it's take a number value, and it also return the number value. No issue with that. But if you see here, this same logic, the one is for the string, one is for the number. Now imagine doing this for 10 types like boolean or array or any other type. This is not a scalable at all, right? So how to tackle this? For that, instead of repeating code, TypeScript give us the generics. This generics let us create a reusable function that work with any type. Think of it like a placeholder. We do not know the type yet. We will decide it later, right? Let me write a function that is a function identity, and it's take this t, and it's take a value of type t, and also return of this type and return the value. So here this angular bracket t is the placeholder, our placeholder, and this is a generic type, means this angular bracket and this t is a generic type, and this value colon t is input type, means what type of input this function gets, and this column t is normally return type. As usual, this one is the normal, this one is the normal, and this one is the normal. Just addition of this angular bracket and t. One function every work for everything. Like if I call here identity, let's say this is of type string, and let me call it for the hello for a string value. Let me make it for the let's say number, sorry, and it's take a value, let's say 1 2 3, and now its identity value is the number, identity function value is the take number value, and if I hover on this hello, and this take a string value. Now I also means I can also write here for the boolean also, boolean, and just pass here the true for the true and false the boolean value. Now we decide the type when calling the function, means I do not have to write here the number data type or string data type every time while building the function or anything. Just write here the angular bracket t and use it for the this angular bracket t just define the data type, what type of data type is this, and it is the like a variable placeholder. You can pass here string, you can pass here number, you can pass here boolean, and TypeScript automatically enforce type safety, no duplication needed here. Now this one is for the normal type like string or number, but how we can write for the arrays? like here these are for the single value, string value, a number value, a boolean value. But there are the arrays also in the Java, in the TypeScript, in the programming language. How can we solve it? So for that we have just write the normal t and this arr of this type, means just write here uh, the square bracket here, and that's all. Now this work for any array, like you can write here the get element and pass here the number value, number array, and you can also pass here the string array a b c, any type, any data type, and same function different data type. That is the power of the main idea is the same function different data type. Just write here the angular bracket and t, and this tells the function which data type of this takes, and this is just like a placeholder, and this placeholder gives the value here and also here, means these both get the value from this angular bracket. Now comes to the utility types. So TypeScript also give us built-in helper called the utility types. These help you modify the existing type instead of rewriting them. Like you have a interface. Let me write an interface, let's say for user. It's as a, let me name a string, and age is a number. So the I have this interface. Now how, if I want to make it partially, so type partial user is equal to partial, and use the angular bracket, make it user. So this partial keyword makes all properties optional. So if you remember in the last to last video, I on day 3 or I think on day 2, I tell you one thing for the optional properties. So you can, for optional property, you can write here the question mark for that, make it optional, means you can pass or not pass, there is no matter if you make it optional. So how can we make it by using this another method, means it's very useful in the update API, means like in the CRUD operation we have the create, update, and delete, and the also for the other thing read. So how, when we are making the update function, so how can, means in update either a user can update their name, their email, their age, their phone number, their password, means if they want to update only single value, then why to send the whole data? So just pass one and use here, and for that use the partial keyword. For the partial makes all properties optional, means if one properties come, they can make it one, means use the one. If two come, then they can handle the two. So it is very useful in the update API where user might send only one field. Now another second one is the pick. So let me show you the yes, this one is the pick type. This pick only specific property, like you have a user, you have a age, you have a let's say phone, it's of number data type, and a password, it's of string data type, and let's say email of string data type. So I have many fields, like 5 fields here: name, age, phone, password, and email. I want to just a specific property from this user interface. For that, just use the pick. Like here I write the partial, use here the pick. These are some keywords. You when you try practice these, you can get habitual with these type of keywords: pick, partial, and one more is the omit also. So pick says this pick only specific property, like you write user interface and pick only this field name, either you write here age, either you write here the email. So the property you write here, it only pick this one. Like here result, you get the name is string. Now like showing only name on the UI, not the full data. You can use the pick in this type. And see, I'm using here the type as the means there are the two ways, either interface or either use the type. So I'm using here type. Why? Because it is flexible. Not I'm not writing here the interface. I already tell you on the day two when I tell you means teach you about the interface and type. So remember, type is useful for the flexible data like I have here. And also here I write the type partial user and partial user, and interface is a complete object and type is a partial means flexible data. So that's why I again tell you type versus interface. Interface is basically for the object means complete object, and type is for the partial means flexible data type. Now let's come to the omit. Omit is this remove the properties. Like I have this interface, user name, age, phone, password, email. I get the data from the database. Now I want to omit the password field. So because this is case sensitive data, I cannot show on your in the browser this password field for the security issues. So it removed the this property password and before sending the response from the backend side. So this one is very useful, omit, and this the format is same, just type the variable name and the omit or pick or partial, and you give the interface name and the field you want to add or you want to omit. Now let's quickly quick comparison. Like partial is the everything makes optional, means everything is optional. Name is optional, age is optional, email is optional, password is. This is mainly used for the update API, and pick is for the select specific field. Like you want the name field, you want the email field. For the specific field, this one. Omit is remove that specific field. So this is for you a practice code. You can create the generic function of array length or use partial on a product type. So these are like for you some small task, a mini challenge for you. Use pick for the email, use omit to remove the password from a data type. Try it yourself, don't skip this part. This one is the a small challenge for you. And if this video helped you understand generic, clearly hit that like button, subscribe to JDCodebase. In the next video, we will go even deeper into the advanced TypeScript concept and see you in the day 7.